Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those and you need to find where the left headlight fuses are located, you may have up to 3 different fuses. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So left headlight, we will need to check up to 3 fuses. Most of you will have 2, but some may have third one. We'll talk about that. You need to open the hood guys. That's where we'll be working. You have multiple fuse boxes, but the one that we need is under the hood. And if you face the engine, here on the right side, under this cover, if you remove it, you will find that we have a engine fuse box. That's the main engine fuse box that will have a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the left headlight, which fuse we need to check? Oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, headlight bulbs for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste your money and time. If we zoom in here a little bit, the first fuse that we may need to check guys, okay, we'll be starting this way. We check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It will be a JK's fuse right here, fuse number 14. Ours didn't come with that headlight option, but the next fuse that you will need to check for the headlights will be fuse number 34 right here, the 10M fuse. And after that you will need to check fuse number 36 right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.